Success doesn't begin with talent, luck, or even opportunity. It begins with one simple but powerful thing: your mindset. Every student sitting here today has dreams, some big, some small, some clear, and some still forming. But what separates those who achieve their dreams from those who don't is not intelligence or background. It is the way they think. A strong mindset means believing that you can grow, improve, and overcome challenges. It means understanding that failure is not the opposite of success, it is a part of success. When you fail, you are not losing, you are learning. Every mistake carries a lesson, and every lesson moves you one step closer to your goal. Many students hold themselves back not because they lack ability, but because they doubt themselves. They say, "I'm not smart enough," or "I can't do this." But the truth is, your mind listens to what you tell it. If you keep telling yourself you can't, you won't. But if you start saying, "I'll try, I'll learn, I'll improve," everything begins to change. Mindset is also about discipline. Motivation comes and goes, but discipline is what keeps you going when you don't feel like studying, practicing, or working hard. It's waking up early when you'd rather sleep. It's choosing to focus when distractions are everywhere. It's doing what needs to be done even when it's difficult. Remember this: growth happens outside your comfort zone. If everything feels easy, you're not growing. Real progress comes when you challenge yourself, when you take on tasks that scare you a little, when you push beyond what you think you can do. Another important part of mindset is patience. Success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and consistency. You may not see results immediately, and that's okay. What matters is that you keep going. Every small step you take today builds the foundation for your future. Surround yourself with positivity. The people you spend time with and the content you consume shape your thinking. Choose friends who support and inspire you. Listen to ideas that encourage growth. Protect your mind from negativity, because your thoughts create your reality. Also, learn to take responsibility. Don't blame others for your failures. Instead, ask yourself, what can I do better next time? This simple shift in thinking gives you control over your life. When you take responsibility, you also gain the power to change. Most importantly, believe in yourself, even when no one else does. There will be moments when people doubt you, when things don't go your way, when you feel like giving up. But those are the moments that define you. If you keep going, if you stay strong, if you trust your journey, you will come out stronger than before. Your mindset is like a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it becomes. Feed it with positive thoughts, challenge it with hard work, and protect it from doubt. So starting today, make a decision. Decide that you will not limit yourself. Decide that you will grow, learn, and push forward no matter what. Decide that your mindset will be your greatest strength. Because in the end, it's not just about what you achieve, it's about who you become in the process. And with the right mindset, there is nothing you cannot achieve.